As COVID cases continue to rise in Orleans Parish public schools, some parents are pushing for a virtual option.
And tonight, the Orleans Parish School Board plans to vote on a vaccine mandate for their central office administrative staff. Candace Charles joins us live from that board meeting. Candace, did that meeting get underway?
Yes, it just started, and already parents have shown up by the droves, some of them with their children. You can see some of them sitting over the floor there in the meeting right now. And earlier today, the board said that they'll do everything in their power, and they already have done everything in their power to keep children in school and safe.
I'm extremely concerned.
It's been less than a month since students returned to school in Orleans Parish, but already hundreds of students and staff have tested positive for COVID-19, and thousands of others have been quarantined, making Dr. Ashanta Wyatt afraid to send her 10th grader back to school.
Right now, it's just not the safest option to have students and families being forced with the only option of being in person.
At Thursday's COVID update meeting, the school board said they're doing their part in keeping students safe.
These quarantines, these counts show that our schools are following the procedures laid out in our COVID care guidance.
As of Monday, the NOLA-PS COVID tracker showed 370 positive cases, with more than 3,000 students and staff quarantined.
This again is high, we know that, but it's a result of our schools following the guidance, and we applaud them for that.
But even as numbers continue to rise, medical advisor Dr. Ben Springate reminds parents that closures are not likely.
At this time, we do not see uncontrolled or unmitigated transmission in schools, and LDH has not called for any school closures.
The board continues to offer mitigation strategies, including a vote to encourage schools to require vaccination, something half of the schools are already doing, asking schools to require proof of vaccination or a negative test, encouraging charters to require after-school participants to submit to weekly testing, and for all schools to implement weekly testing for students and staff.
We must all do our part.
Well, a coalition of parents continue to ask for another preventive measure, a virtual learning option for all students.
If I had to choose between learning loss and loss of people, I'm going to always side with the safety of people.
Yeah, again, that meeting is just getting started. And as you can see behind me, some parents are still trickling in. After that meeting, there will be, of course, a public comment section. Coming up, I'll bring you a little bit of what's going on inside. But for now, reporting live from Algiers, I'm Candace Charles, Eyewitness News.
Candace, thank you.